In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do Superscript and Subscript in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you're creating scientific formulas, mathematical equations, footnotes, trademarks, or chemical symbols, knowing how to properly raise or lower text in Illustrator is an essential skill. The good news is, it's very simple once you know where to look. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any helpful tips. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and load the document that contains your text. If you haven't created text yet, simply select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left, click anywhere on your artboard, and type your content. Superscript and Subscript only work on editable text, so make sure your text has not been outlined. If it has been converted to outlines, you'll need to undo that or retype the text. Next, select the specific text you want to change. You can either click and drag to highlight a single character, multiple characters, or even an entire word. For example, if you're typing something like H2O and want the number 2 to appear lower as a subscript, highlight just the number 2. Or if you're typing something like x squared and want the 2 raised, highlight the number 2 that should become superscript. It's important that you only select the characters you want to modify. Now that your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, hover over Type and then click on Character. This will open the Character panel. If you already see the Character panel on your workspace, you can simply use that. The Character panel gives you full control over font size, spacing, tracking, leading, and most importantly for this tutorial, Superscript and Subscript options. Inside the Character panel, look for the Superscript and Subscript buttons. The Superscript button raises the selected text slightly above the baseline and reduces its size proportionally. The Subscript button lowers the selected text slightly below the baseline and also adjusts the size to match standard formatting. To create superscript text, simply click the Superscript button while your desired characters are highlighted. You'll instantly see the text shift upward and resize appropriately. This is perfect for exponents, trademark symbols, registered symbols, and reference numbers. To create subscript text, highlight the characters you want lowered, then click the Subscript button in the same character panel. The selected text will drop slightly below the baseline and resize automatically. This is commonly used for chemical formulas like CO2 or H2O. If the effect looks too small or not exactly how you want it, you can manually fine-tune it. In the Character panel menu, you can adjust baseline shift and font size manually for more precise control. This is especially helpful for custom typography or logo design, where exact positioning matters. And that's really all there is to it. Select your text, open the Character panel through Window, Type, Character, and then click Superscript or Subscript depending on the effect you need. It's quick, clean, and completely non-destructive as long as your text remains editable. If this video helped you learn how to do Superscript and Subscript in Illustrator, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Illustrator tutorials. I post easy guides designed to save you time and improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.